Hi, my name is David Heaton. Today, for those of you who are garage door obsessors, or I know it kind of may sound a little bit queer, people are obsessed with garage doors. But anyways, I'm going to show you my garage doors opening and closing today. Here's the first one on to the left. Pretty neat. And here's the second one. Sorry about that. Alright, go ahead and close that one. Alright, that's my garages. Now we're going to do a race. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Believe it or not, the one on the right is probably going to win. Yep. Now we're closing. Alright, thank you all for watching. This is David Heaton. Please subscribe to my channel. For newer and later videos, you may also, please leave comments and tell your friends about me. I'm going to be posting more videos. I am an elevator obsessor. I'm obsessed with elevators. I just think they're the most coolest thing ever. So next time I go to the mall, I'm going to be in almost every elevator there, and I'm going to record the rides for every single floor. So thanks for joining me.